In today's video, we are going to look at the severe weather which is coming in for the very first time this year, and really warmer and some severe weather for the eastern part of the United States. We will go over that and more in this video. Now to get started here, we're going to be taking a look at our severe outlook for tomorrow. I mean, this is yesterday because I was recording this at this time, but you can see here that this is a slot with the severe weather for Indiana, Illinois, and Michigan, and this along with some major winds for Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Arkansas, Idaho, Minnesota, and Michigan. So we're going to be taking a look at that today. And for Wednesday outlook, I don't know what it's going to be like, but stay tuned for tomorrow videos to see that Wednesday outlook, or tomorrow should I say it. So we're going to take a look at all of this right now. So we're going to be starting by taking a look at all the models here, see what's going on. So you can, this is Trazy from yesterday model by the time I am recording this. So but you can see this is tonight, guys. So you can see we're going to get this 991 mobile low pressure system over there in the Dakotas area, along with another little one somewhere over there, and this will combine together to make one big steep trough. So you can see we got trough border in the west, wedge border in the east, bringing all of the warm air up and all the cool air down right there, and this will become steepener as it push east. So this is kind of going to be like a trough in the west, wedge in the east, and this will deepen as it push east. So this is what's going to happen tonight, tomorrow, and Wednesday here. So we're going to be watching this, and this will bring all the snowstorms across all more and more western part of the United States. So let's take a look at it here about the snow, and as you can see, we're going to get this really heavy snowstorm for parts of Washington, Idaho, Montana, Colorado, Oregon, and more. So you can see we're going to get this really big heavy snowstorm for up here in a more western part of the United States, and this is going to be keeping a close eye out. And then as we reach through tomorrow, you can see this will calm down as we got this another big low pressure system develop and bring some more rain and some more snow to most parts of the part of the area. So we will go back to the GFS model. Why this is not working, but now you can see here there it is that we'll talk about, and then as you can get through tomorrow morning, this is where it's going to be all play out. So we got this trough deepening up and some wedge boarding up along with some lower pressure system along this, and this will deepen and deepen as it push eastward, bringing all the warm air, some 50 to 60 degrees weather, maybe even 80 and 90 down in the southern part, to a teens to the 20s and behind this trough. So this is going to be one of the most deepest trough of the year, guys. We haven't seen this often, and this is the most rarest trough I have ever seen for February, which means spring has arrived early and some allergies too. So as we go through Tuesday afternoon, you can see we are getting some slight chances of some severe weather across Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, and North Carolina, as you guys can see here. And then we're going to get this really deep trough right there. So this is, and this will potentially turning naked, which means deepening. So that's going to be a great big problem. So as you take a look at the eastern part of the U.S., this will start as a storm, and then this low pressure system will deepen as it tracks. And you can see this is and this is Wednesday at 7 a.m. and you can see here we got this really big cold trough in boarding right to the east of that low brain, and really big snowstorm and this big wedge developing, bringing some severe weather for Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, Michigan, Indiana, in Kentucky. So this will be something that we have to watch for. And then as we go through 1 p.m. on February 28th, Wednesday, this trough will deepen as it go through, and this will bring possibly some blizzard-like snowstorm for parts of Pennsylvania, New York, and for the Canada area, with some really big cold front, severe weather, by the way. And boy, if we're watching for some severe weather, then we have to watch for some tornadoes too. So we got trough coming in, we got wedge boarding, and this will causing crawls, which means this will cause some tornado threats for all across for this area for Wednesday. So this will be something that we do need to watch for. And as this quickly moves out, we will get some clearing weather. So as you guys can see, this is a Great Lakes part of the area, or our area. You can see this will be fine, but as we go back here, this is 7 p.m. tomorrow night, and you can see we are already starting to see some really big severe weather developing across Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio here, starting out from like 2 to 7 p.m. with a low pressure system located right there, and this will bring some really big troughs coming in. So this will deepen as it moves. So as we go through a couple more flames, you can see we already got some severe weather right there for Michigan, and then this will deepen into this big 987 northbound low pressure system for February 28th here, and this will extend this really big cold front down right, and put some warm air surging up. Cool air just going to be washing on in here, and then this will bring some rain and some severe thunderstorms for Wednesday afternoon to Wednesday evening as this moves off, and then we're going to get this cooler pattern as we get throughout the day for Wednesday. So as you can see, this is it again. We're getting some severe weather across Ohio into Pennsylvania on Wednesday, and then as this moves east, you can see we got this cold front coming, and this is it. This is going to be a blizzard type snowstorm for New York, for our whole New England area. So this will be a big storm, probably one of the biggest storms we have saw in years, and this will bring some winds with it too, with some really big jet stream winds with it too, with some 2 days worth of winds. Way going ahead and some winds going behind the cold front. So this will be a really big wind maker, really big storm maker, and a lot more. I had never seen this in years, and then we're going to get rid of this, and then we will get some clear weather as we reach through the first half of March. So here's a look at the region map. Here's the area we'll wash it out right here for our northeast Ohio into northwest Pennsylvania, and you can see we're getting some clear weather tonight. But as you can see, tomorrow morning you can start. We got this first one, a warm front storms coming through right there. So there's a warm front extending out. We got this really tight wedge boarding here. There's a trough right here. There's cold air just rushing into it, and as you can see, we're going to, after this warm front comes through, we're going to get this increasing moisture, increasing dew points, probably one of the humidest winter we have ever saw, and then we're getting this increasing spring type weather pattern. And then as you can see, once this clears up by 5-6 p.m., we're going to get this really big severe weather maker, like a line of very big severe weather maker, starting from western part of 17, and then kind of go down here with a little big trough, and then have a bigger trough. So this will be a big tornado maker right there. Some severe weather and some hail maker as well. As this clear up, we're not done with it yet. We got this one more big line coming through 12 p.m. the next day. So be ready, because this is probably going to be one of the worst severe weather we have probably ever saw, especially for those areas right there today. So just keep that in mind, guys. We're going to go through the GVS model after this storm. We're going to get through this nice and clear weather coming in. Nothing too bad there. And then we're going to get this really big snowstorm coming in for March 3rd. And this will be a nice system maker right there for the big snowstorm across our western Rockies and stuff. And then we're going to get this another wedge in the east, trough in the west, boarding But this time, this will be metal steeple, guys. So this will be metal steeple, guys, coming in here for us most spring like pardon. But this time, as this cold front comes through, this will bring some one-time severe weather maker in some snowstorm, and then this will be stuck as we go through the day on March 8th. And then this will be a March type weather pattern after this. So please make sure you. So for those areas right there, all for these areas, get your preparation ready. Go over this preparation with your friends and family, and we're going to go through this big severe weather and some hail and some. So be sure to go over your plans with your family and friends and be ready for this event, because we know that this event might do something to you guys. So please make sure to be ready for everything. Best for the best, prepare for the worst, and we're going to see you guys as we upload videos every single day this week and stuff like that. So we're going to see you guys later, and we're going to see you guys pretty soon. Bye bye.